In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 12-column grid in Figma. First, let's get started by opening Figma and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where you can see all of your projects and files. From here, choose the project or file where you want to set up your 12-column grid. You can either open an existing design or create a new file if you're starting from scratch. The important thing is that you're inside the Figma editor, looking at the canvas where your layout will live. Next, decide exactly where you want this 12-column grid to be applied. In Figma, grids are attached to frames, so we need to create a frame for the grid to sit on. Look down at the bottom toolbar and find the frame icon. It usually looks like a rectangle, or you might see it in the tools area along with shapes and text. Click on the frame tool, then move your cursor to the canvas and draw a frame. You can drag out any size you like, but for web or app design, you might want to match a common screen size, like a desktop or mobile frame. Don't worry too much if the size isn't perfect at first. You can always adjust it later. With your frame selected, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where all the properties and adjustments for the frame are located. Scroll down until you see the section called Layout Grid or Layout Guide, depending on your interface. Next to that label, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to add a new layout grid to your frame. As soon as you click it, a small pop-up or panel will appear near the right side. At the top of that panel, there's a drop-down field that is usually set to grid by default. Click on that drop-down and change it from grid to columns. Now your layout is set to use vertical columns instead of a simple square grid. In the same panel, find the option labeled Count. This controls how many columns you'll have. Change the count to 12. That gives you the standard 8-column grid used in many responsive web design systems. Below that, you can fine-tune other settings such as the color and opacity of the grid lines, the type of columns, the margins on the left and right, and the gutter width, which is the space between each column. Adjust these to match your design system or personal preference. Once that's done, your 12-column grid is ready and you're all set.